Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. This is a security screen door closer. This is what they look like these days. You get a box, as you see, a bit of a diagram on the side, a bit of an instruction. Now, let's look at what it was 60 years ago, or 50 years ago. This is a door closer. Look at the vintage. Look at the writing. Now, this font was very popular back in the day. Now, what's the difference? Okay, so if you look at these two door closers, apart from the box is a big difference. We'll have a little look and see a little bit more. But what's interesting here, McCullens, Australia. So most locksmiths, or older locksmiths, might remember the McCallum locks, McCallum mortise locks and things like that. I haven't seen a screen door from McCullens, so it's well before my time. Rustless screen door closer, anodized aluminium with nylon and stainless steel. And have a look at the side here. I'll zoom in so you can see it. Look at that writing. It's the sort of thing you generally wouldn't see these days. A bit of running writing. Most of the time it's always printed now, so you can see the difference in the packaging. Quite different. It's even got the address there, 305 Trafalgar Street, Petersham, Sydney. I mean, there's no way anything's made in Sydney anymore. First of all, nothing's made in Australia. It's cheaper to get it made in China, let alone in Sydney and let alone in Australia. So, interesting. It's got the adjustment screw there, which is slightly different these days. Now it's on the end. And we've got a note on the back here. Correct operation for this closer cannot be obtained if the screen door is fitted with a spring hinge. So basically one of those springs that make it slam. It is suggested that such hinge be replaced with a McCullens number 51 extruded aluminium hinge fitted to the nylon bearing and stainless steel pin. In addition to being a setting place for the installation fitting of the door closer, the hold open washer may be used to hold the door open by sliding it along the rod for the required opening. To release, simply remove the tension and on the washer and slide it back into place. So that's still in existence, that function there. What else we got here? Introducing the all-weather screen door closer. For most efficient operation, install as per instructions. Stainless steel fitting screws are supplied and may be used for either timber or metal. No further lubrication is necessary as the door closer has been permanently lubricated in assembly and the nylon pins need no oil. Alright, so it's time to have a little look. Somebody's come along with their sticky tape, which is a bit shit because this is now vintage. So we'll have to cut open this one. And there we have it. No more parts. That's all we got. Is there anything down there? A bit of plastic. Alright, so that's what we're left with these days. And even the plastic doesn't want to come off. I mean, it's been sitting in this plastic for 50 years. You got to give it a little bit of grace. Come on, 50-year-old plastic, come out so I can demonstrate. There we go. Alright, look at that. So there's the McCullens Australia logo. There's your tensioning screw. I mean, these days it's on the end. You would have a hinge bracket here and you would have another bracket which fits to the door. And you'd also have your hold open. Does it still work? Still works. If anyone is interested in this, let me know. I don't think I'll have use for it. Alright, so what do you get these days? Right, so here's your standard screen door closer. The adjustment is now on the end of it. This part has remained the same. So pretty much the same. Actually, let's have a race. See if we can pull both at the same time, just to see after 50 years. Oh, can I do it? Yeah, this one's a little bit quicker. So that washer there is fitted on the shaft to hold it open. We've now got a little pin which allows that washer to be kinked, so it holds it open a little bit better. Back in the olden days, they hadn't worked that bit out yet. And also the air release is now on this side. As far as fitting instructions, we now have this clip-in bracket, like so. So you would fit that on the door and then you would just clip it on like that, make a nice easy installation. In the olden days, we used to have as you can see here, have a right angle bracket. So you would put a couple of screws in there and then you would fit the pin through there. And then on this side you would have a right angle bracket as well on this one there. So two kind of brackets. You have two kind of brackets, the only difference being this one, it has this quick attach kind of release. You still got to put holes in, and this would be pretty much similar on the other side. You fit that, put a pin in it, and slide along. So that is the McCullens Australia door closer. I haven't seen one this old. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know why I've got it, but I do. If anyone wants it, or let me know. If you're willing to pay for post and pay for it, then yeah, it's all yours. I mean, it would be good, just looking back at some of the old boxing and stuff, if somebody's got like a museum or something, or wants it for something or other, let me know. And that's the McCullens door closer. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.